Today, we are doing my room makeover. This is my room!
Drew is very specific. What do these numbers mean? Centimeters?
I didn't realize that it was like kind of kitty-like. So we walked in there and I was like, ah!
I feel like I'm failing as a friend. I haven't even started.
No, I just started walking into the sunset like. Hey guys, welcome back to Clevver Style. Sinead here, and today is an extra special day because we are doing something brand new. We are making over Drew Dorsey's bedroom. All right, let's go, you guys.
So today, we are doing my room makeover, a BFF room makeover, if you will.
Hi. Drew Boo Boo, we're outside.
Yeah?
You're on candid camera, so watch your language. No, you're on speakerphone. Did you forget? You're just like, hey, what's up?
Okay, here
All
we
right,
go.
okay, bye. I should have had more tools. She's not gonna take me seriously. Drew Boo Boo. Hi.
Come on in. Did you try to hit me in the butt?
No, I didn't. Drew is hilarious, honestly, one of the funniest people ever. She laughs and everybody else starts laughing. It's like one of those contagious laughs. Okay, so give me a little bit of a tour. Show me around.
Okay, so we're in my living room, but I spend most of my time in my bedroom. So I use my room for basically everything. I sleep in there, I do work in there, I watch TV in there, I eat in there. Sorry, I know that's gross, but I do.
Are we ready?
Should we go in there? You guys
where
ready
the
to go?
magic happens?
A little tot. This is my room.
Aww,
Okay. She who leaves a trail of glitter is never forgotten.
that's cute.
You've been here before, but you
have.
guys haven't been here before.
I've been here before. Drew's room is cute. There is a lot in there that like speaks to her interests, but I don't think there's a lot in there that speaks to her personality. The gray and pink goes really well together. I think it's really cute. The bedspread has to go.
But this is the thing. So I got this bedspread after college, you guys. Like this was my adult decision to be like, ooh, I'm like out in LA on my own. I'm gonna get this bedspread. And I didn't realize that it was like kind of kitty-like until like a week ago.
It's like a general consensus that Drew's room is on the childish side. But it is very rare to walk into a full grown woman's bedroom and see a bedspread, but I do think it's adorable and cute. There's a way for us to still keep it like fun and cute without, you know, giant polka dots.
My room doesn't really reflect my personality. Really, now that I think about it, I'm very whimsical. I'm also edgy. I'm girly. I'm glam. And my room's none of those things right now.
So when you look around your room, is there anything that you're like, oh, I love this, I can't live without this thing, I'm so happy it's in my room, just so we have some inspo.
To go off of. Well, the what would Beyonce do sign, it doesn't have to stay there, but you know,
Yeah,
it
I
needs
do
to
like
be
that.
in the room somewhere. My bed frame has to stay. I love this bed frame.
Yes, okay.
I love the whole like tufted situation. These pictures of me are so old. They're
Yeah.
from like when I was like literally in college.
Yeah.
I just like that they have a pink background, but I'm not like glued to these photos. My stuffed animals.
Drew and her stuffed animals.
They have to stay.
I can't make any promises, but I will try to keep the stuffed animals. I will kind of try to keep them.
Maybe they don't have to stay on my bed, but they have to go somewhere.
Yes.
You guys, it was really embarrassing. The first time I had a dude over, I forgot for some reason that I had my stuffed animals on my bed. So we walked in there and I was like, ah! And I just, I laid down on my bed and like tried to act like I was just trying to pounce into the bed, but really I was trying to throw away my stuffed animals. Cause that's not sexy, you know? It was mortifying. I like my guitars in here. I used to play the guitar, I can't. I forgot how to play the
Yeah,
guitar.
same.
But those kind of have sentimental value because my grandma got me my first guitar.
Drew definitely has a few things in her bedroom that we wouldn't dream of getting rid of because not only do they have sentimental value, but there is like ways that we can definitely incorporate them into her room makeover.
And the pole's gotta stay. There's a pole in the middle of my room. You know, for fun, for exercise, for fun. This is the tacky in me coming
Yes,
out.
I like it though.
I just like it, you know?
Maybe it's like it feels one way at night, feels one way during the day type of
Yeah,
vibe.
I like it.
Okay, so tell me about this director's chair because it's such an interesting choice for a vanity.
I'm really into like old Hollywood glam, and I like the idea of it being like a movie star's room,
Yeah.
you know?
It's cute.
That's also why I like put random like thank you notes and stuff
Yes,
around my mirror.
that's
'Cause
very
it's like,
cute.
let me tell you, if you knock over one of these lipsticks, it's like dominoes.
Oh, it's awful.
It like,
And then you like shake trying to get the one up. Yeah, it's the
and then it
worst.
knocks off like 5 more. So I'm from Northern California and I lived in LA now for about 6, 7 years. LA's basically become my home away from home. And because I spend so much time in my room, it's really important that I create that home feel.
Drew deserves like her special sanctuary. I do feel like I understand a little bit of actually who you are in terms of your style.
This is the thing, I'm 26 now, so it's time to age up the room.
I kind of get it, like you're really fun and playful and you love Disney and you're very childlike in that way, but you also are like a proud woman who like embraces their sexuality and like their womanhood, and I think that that's also a little bit important to show just a little bit more of in here. Since it is your bedroom, you know?
Most of my womanhood is in my nightstand.
Okay, you've done a great job of showing me around your room. I really appreciate it. You gotta go. I got a lot to do. I gotta measure some things.
Giving you good vibes, good juju.
Thanks, girl. It's gonna be great. Don't even worry about it. I got my measuring tape, dude. What can go wrong? Let's measure some stuff. All right, now I'm ready. 18, 24 by 18.
No, I'm turning 26.
What do these numbers mean? Centimeters? All right, so if we're gonna do an ottoman, we probably put it right here. 63 width, about 9. No, but seriously, is somebody writing this down? 3 feet across. All right, I think I measured everything except for that giant wall, but I don't wanna do that, so somebody else is gonna have to do that for me. All right, Drew.
Yeah?
Come say goodbye to me. Come thank me for my services.
You gotta go through the front door, don't you?
Yeah, but the lighting's good in here. Don't you wanna say goodbye on camera? Good luck.
I'm super excited. So I'm a little nervous that she's gonna put like Star Wars everywhere with like black and white, you know? Because that's not me. So I'm gonna need Sinead to remember this is my room, and as if she was like a grown-up 15-year-old. Put my trust in you.
I mean, I'm going that way too, I'm leaving.
The lighting was just good. I'm not ready to say goodbye to some things, but I know I need to change.
Hi. Good morning, good morning.
And now, the best part of all, the planning, the organizing, the Pinterest boarding.
Let's go, chop chop. Lots to do, lots to do.
I'm gonna make like 47 Pinterest boards, just watch. We're just gonna head into the makeup room, or the green room, as we call it, which is literally just like where most of us spend most of our time when we're shooting style stuff.
Hey guys, lots of work to do. Let's go, try to keep up. Come on, single file line. Everybody in. All right, I'm gonna set up my little workstation here. This is the cutest workstation ever, by the way. I would love to talk to you guys, but I can't right now, I'm busy. Love to, but can't. You know what movie that's from? Hercules, Drew's favorite Disney movie. Bam, all right, let's go. I need your password. And Emil's in here. He's busy working.
So I think the best way to do this is to focus on 4 main areas of her bedroom. So her bed, because something needs to change there, all right? Her vanity, lighting, and of course, decor.
For the most part, I felt like I understood her style, and I was surprised that we were kind of connecting as much as we were, because I was like, oh my gosh, this is crazy, we have totally different style. But actually, like, she seemed pretty confident about it, which made me feel really good. Decor, I think we just go along with some of these color palettes that she already has, like golds, teals, maybe some leopard print.
I'm not crazy about animal prints.
And if it's done like in a really chic, sophisticated way.
I like animals. I don't necessarily want them on a rug or on my wall, you know?
And then the vanity, I think, like she likes her vanity. I like her vanity too. We just need to make some sort of like storage organization thing happen. Drew really loves old Hollywood, like glam. So anything that's like very lush, you know? Drew, wasn't expecting you here right now. This is a little bit stressful. I know it looks like I have a shrine.
Why? Why? I'm scared.
I know it looks like I have a shrine and it's a little creepy to you right now, but I'm just letting you know that I have been talking to this picture. What?
This is the creepiest thing for me to walk into. What are you doing? It looks like...
What? I do feel a little creepy about the picture frame. I probably shouldn't have told her I've been talking to it, you know? Right? She understands me. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a look at this Pinterest board again, but I honestly think that the best way to go about this, because Drew likes this bedding so much, like I think it's really cute, that we buy this first, like order it right now, and then build the rest of the room around it. All right, okay, I feel pretty good, honestly. I feel really good. I might be a little overconfident, but that's okay. I think I'm ready to go shopping. Am I ready to go shopping?
All right, you guys, today is shopping day. Today is all about nailing Drew's style, getting some really awesome decor accent pieces, and I got my girl Jackie here because Jackie is also super tight with Drew. She's her best friend, and I feel like you are the perfect person to have for me to bounce ideas off of, and also like really try to nail Drew's style with some of these like hopefully really fun, poppy accent pieces.
Yes, bright, vibrant, sparkly, glittery, and I think if we just stick to those things, we'll be good to go. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, I just got overwhelmed. Oh wait.
See,
Boom.
like,
This is like a Drew pillow.
all the way, right?
Tell me this is not Drew.
I don't like hairy, fluffy things. You know how in the 70s things were just like that hairy fluff? I don't like that.
This is like Drew in a pillow.
Yeah.
Especially not furry, fluffy gray. That's a hell no.
This is a little weird.
These are fun. I don't know what you use it for, but
Oh,
those are really
cute.
pretty. Right?
Yeah, I like those. Put them in. You have a little clock in her room.
I was looking at those. I really like
really
it.
Nice.
Yeah.
He likes novelty stuff, and like I really do think this is super, super
Yeah, I
cute.
love that. Okay, see, look, yeah, there's a theme coming along here.
Yeah.
Sorta.
These are starting to happen.
Yeah.
These are starting to happen. We have 4 things. We're so proud of ourselves.
Honestly, this would be completely perfect if it was just a different color.
She can really fit in here. Shopping for Drew's room is actually a lot harder than I expected. There's a lot of things that I feel like she would like, but then as soon as we pick it up, we second guess ourselves.
I didn't realize what we were undertaking.
Well, decor is hard, like I said, like when it's not something like very specific, when you're just like trying to find things that look cute.
Right.
It's one of those things you just have to like feel.
My issue is it gonna all come together
Right,
and
like
look good, or is it
cohesively.
gonna look like just a bunch of random crap that you
But
can't put
unfortunately,
together?
a lot of those things we're not gonna know until we're actually putting it into a room.
I know.
And then after that, we're gonna have to decide. Because like, worst case scenario, we return it.
How
You know?
do people do this for a living?
I don't know.
honestly?
I feel like there's a billion things we could get, and I just don't know if we're overthinking it too much.
I think we're definitely overthinking it, because I'm even looking at this pillow, which I'm so excited about. I'm like, is this a good pick?
That's a hell no.
The colors are a little off. We need professional help.
This is hard.
This is really hard. Drew is very specific on what she likes. I feel like I'm failing as a friend. I haven't even started.
No, I know what you mean though.
I think it just started hitting me.
Okay, we got it out of our systems. We had a little freak out moment.
We did. Now it's time to just
Back
do
to
it.
business.
I'm letting it go. I'm letting it fly. It's a goner. Look at what we got so far. Cups. And this is it.
It's a little discouraging, not gonna lie. I was expecting just to walk in and have everything I needed just waiting for me within the first aisle, but that would have been a dream, and this is real life. I'm starting to feel depressed.
Same. All right, so we didn't really have the best of luck at TJ Maxx. So we think that Target's gonna have a lot of things that she'll like. So here we go.
I think I've lost all hope and confidence.
All right, so like something like this, like ooh la la, like super
I
cute,
can't
but
stand
this.
this.
That's what I'm saying.
That looks like,
And even this like circle mirror is really cute.
yeah, but that looks like
with
every
this.
Instagram feed ever. This is so your style, isn't it?
I don't know what it's for, but I like it.
Yeah, but again, that's a little
candle.
rustic. Yeah, but it's rustic. Yeah. She's
Well,
not
rustic and like,
She's not rustic though. She's like glam.
look at the, oh no, this is perfect.
Yeah, that's good.
I love that.
Look how
Okay.
cute these are.
Oh. Rainbow's cute, unicorn's cute.
I feel like she would like this. You know how she feels about unicorns.
How does she feel about unicorns?
Obsessed with unicorns.
She's not obsessed with unicorns.
Yes, she is.
Let me just call her and just ask her if she likes unicorns.
Just ask her really casually, like, hey, what's up? Do you like unicorns?
Yeah.
They'll be like, how do you feel about unicorns?
This has nothing to do with anything. We're having a debate whether you like unicorns or not. And I used to like unicorns.
I remember you really liking unicorns.
But you don't like unicorns anymore, right?
I used to really like them,
Used
and then
to.
they started to freak me out because the bones, I was like coming out of their head.
Ew, that's a bone?
It's an overgrown bone that protrudes out of their skin.
Yeah,
That
that's
is a
pretty
little
gross.
disturbing.
It's a good
All
thing
right,
they're
well,
You
fake.
know,
That's disgusting.
I just want to let you know, the shopping is going fantastic. You're going to be so happy.
you're lying. You're lying.
You are the worst actress on the face of the earth.
Well, we got some more shopping to do. Thanks for your input.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
We're off to a good start.
It's a bone coming out of their heads?
Yeah, it's kind of.
That's
it is-
disgusting.
We haven't gotten anything.
Whew, I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted too. They kicked us out of Target, and I don't know why. We've spent all this money.
That is legitimately the biggest exaggeration of life.
was exaggerated.
They did not kick us out. They just told us to stop filming. I feel like we did so much, but didn't get a lot of things at all. but I do think this was a good start. We did pick up steam there towards the end.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You know you're gonna have to be there for me the day that I do this because I cannot do it alone.
I'm just glad that this has only been part of the time that I've had to be part of this. Good luck, Godspeed, because...
Wait, excuse me, did you hear what I just said? You will be there.
I'll be there, but I feel like you're doing more
Don't
of
leave me!
it.
Well, thanks, wish us luck. Bye. I just start walking into the sunset like... We got a lot of decor, but you know, the same way I always buy accessories before I buy the outfit. That's kind of how this is going for me. I got a lot of like small accent pieces, but none of the big items. So that will be happening today.
Time to shop the last few items, which are pretty big items, but that's okay. So I feel like the biggest decor item of all is gonna be the ottoman at the end of Drew's bench. Black and gold one's so cute. It's on sale. Still expensive, but I'm not paying for it. And then another thing I really was excited about getting to was that vanity, but maybe like mini drawers, you know, would be a good option. I like this little storage system. All right, so I'm starting to really like get a good sense of how I want to do the lighting in the bedroom. I just think that this neon light is gonna be like maybe the standout, like the win for her when she walks in. A wallpaper wall behind her bed for the neon sign to go over. I've seen it done so many times. Cool, modern, chic AF wallpaper. Oh my God, it worked. What do you think? I like it, but I don't know if I love it. Ugh, me neither. Same, girl, same. You and I are like, all right, I think I know what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna over-order a little bit, and I'm going to just kind of like see what works. I think that's the best way to do it sometimes. Okay, I feel good. You feel good? Good. All right, I will see you in your bedroom. That sounded interesting. Bye, girl. Wish me luck. Don't eat it.
What?
We actually only have one day to transform her entire room.
Woo! What are you guys screaming about?
Even her freaking makeup thing needs to be built.
Are you getting this?
It looks like I'm being evicted.
You're ruining the surprise!
Open that door! No freaking way.
You ready?
Yeah, seriously, let's do this.
Yeah, seriously, yeah.
Oh man, that was fun, but wait until you see the reveal!
You guys, be here on Friday for part 2 of Drew's room makeover. There's tears, there's screams, there's laughs. It's gonna be good. But in the meantime, click right over here for even more Clevver style.
And over here for subscribing.